What's up everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dazja Jordan for those of you that are new, and for my returning kinfolks, what's up? So as you guys can tell from the title, today we are getting into a prep style and install featuring Fakot hair. Now before we get too deep into this video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also give this video a thumbs up. Now let's go ahead and get into it. First things first, let's go ahead and bleach these knots to prep this wig. We are using the Clairol Professional Powder lightener, and we are also going to pair that with a Pure White Developer number 30. And clearly I need to re-up. Oh, not me having to tilt the bottom. But anyways, you guys, after combining the powder and the developer, we are going to mix it. We are going to mix until it is very paste like. We don't want it runny, we want it paste, so it's not running through the lace and getting on the rest of the hair. When it's paste, it's just kind of, you know, on top of the lace and really doing its thing with getting the knots bleached. Okay, so I did let that sit for about 30 minutes. For some reason this wig required a little more, but when it was time for me to go ahead and rinse out the developer, I used some neutralizing shampoo, and what it does is it stops the bleach from continuing to bleach, pretty much. So it neutralizes everything. After using the neutralizing shampoo, I went in with the olive oil sulfate free shampoo, and you know, I'm just making sure that this hair does not have any res from the bleach because I do not want it to get on my hair. But you guys, this is how it turned out. The knots bleached okay. I've seen wigs bleach a lot better, but you know, for this being a wig that was sent to me, it is what it is. So you guys, now we are getting into the styling. I'm not doing much. As y'all saw, we are going for a bob. So this hair was a 10-inch. I don't know why a 10-inch bob wasn't, you know, just fine with me. Just something in me said I wanted to go shorter. So here we are going with the middle part, short bob. We trying it, y'all. We gonna do it. But before we get into actually cutting the bob, we are going to go in with some of this Style Factor Edge Booster, and we are going to use that hot comb to just make sure that the hair is straight, so that when I go to cut it, it's looking real straight and the bob comes out looking great. Oh my god, y'all, I think I'm a comedian sometimes, probably not, but anyways, y'all, let's go ahead and get into cutting this bob. Now I just want y'all to know I am no professional, so I'm just doing what I think I want done to this bob. Okay, so don't be in the comments judging me or anything like that. Like I said, not a stylist. But anyways, y'all, this is how short I wanted to go. I cut like 2 inches off of this hair, so you know, it went from a 10 to like a nice little 8, maybe 6. I don't know. It's short, but I think it's gonna be cute. I think it's gonna be so cute. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and straighten it. And let me go ahead and tell y'all, the hair didn't straighten great. Okay, I'm gonna give you my honest opinion. I am not the biggest fan of Fakot hair. You know, they are on Amazon. I'm not the biggest fan, but I did wear this wig for about a week. Okay, so it did what it needed to do for about a week. I'm not sure if it would have done better had I not cut it or whatever, but I've just had better quality hair. However, if you are a beginner and you need something, this might be the wig for you, but it wasn't for me. Okay, so there is my opinion. There's my opinion. But we are going to continue with the install because let me tell y'all, I think I did a good job at the end of the day. So speaking of the install, I like to cut slits in on the right and on the left so that it is easier for me to apply my wig. So first things first, you want to always adjust your wig. You want to make sure that that wig is where you want it to be before you glue it down, okay? And y'all, I didn't do the ball cap method, and it's because I've just been sticking with this EBIN Wonder Lace Blonde spray. You guys, this right here is bomb.com. This is one of those products that you don't have to fear losing your edges. It doesn't make it crispy. It's not pulling anything out. Like, this right here is so good. This stuff is amazing. You see, just squirt, hit that blow dryer on it, melt it, and boom, you out the door. Like, easy application. And I stopped doing the ball method, whatever you call it, because I just felt like it was taking out some of my hair, a lot of my hair. So, you know, I'm like, I still want to wear wigs, but I just want to do it in a more healthier way. And this product right here is amazing. And what I find is actually real good for traveling as well, because when I be going through the airport, I be seeing they make y'all throw away y'all's little got to be and stuff like that. So this right here is an actual spray. Like, you can transfer some of it into a little bottle, and boom, like boom, like you got this. Okay, your lace never go to waste. Like, you always got something to, you know, keep you fly. That's all I got. But anyways, you guys, y'all saw I cut off a lot of the excess lace that was around my ear, and now that I have blow dried the lace dry, I'm going to go through and cut the excess lace from around my face. Now, I wish I would have melted the lace a little bit more before I went in and cut the lace, but you know, life is about lessons. You live and you learn. So I recommend melting the lace first, putting the band on first before you cut any of the excess lace from around your face. Okay, but anyways, you guys, let's go ahead and get into these baby hairs. Now, I've been trying to get away from those big old crazy old, you know, baby hairs and stuff like that, but they are essential for the wigs sometimes. So, you know, this is me trying to tone it down to not have so much going on around my forehead and stuff, because I need to prevent breakouts and all of that anyway, you know. But y'all, yeah, this is how the process is. This is how we doing these baby hairs. To hold my baby hairs, I like to use the olive oil wig grip gel, y'all. I've literally been using this for years. This product is thebomb.com. It always keeps my baby hairs laid. All I have to do is tie it down, and it also helps with keeping the lace melted as well. So yeah, I would recommend this product. Okay, again, great for traveling if you're into that kind of thing this year. So I do have a widow's peak that I be trying to make sure I include when I have my wigs on, just because it just makes me feel like, you know, the wig is mine, you know, like it's very customized to my head. So yeah, widow's peak it is. And of course, what we do to one side, we got to do to the other. So we're just going to go ahead and bust out some baby hairs on this side of the wig. Of course, y'all saw that I like to go in and kind of pluck some of the baby hairs just so they're not as thick and laying on my face all crazy. So yeah, that's what's happening here. So after laying the baby hairs, I did have to go through and run that flat iron through the wig again. So I don't know if it is the edge stuff that I put on that's got it looking a little stiff or what, but I wasn't feeling it. I wasn't feeling it at all. I love the length. I love, you know, the cut, the middle part. I love everything but how stiff that hair was looking and feeling. So y'all, we had to take it behind the ear. It looks better take behind the ear, but we were able to wear it for a week because it did very well tuck behind the ear. Okay. But anyways, y'all, we are going to go in with the Maybeline Superstay foundation, And the shade, I have no idea what this shade is, but I will link it in the description box down below. So I'm just using this because this foundation color is really close to my skin color, and I just wanted that lace to look very, you know, scalp like, and you know, just very transparent, and it kind of was given that. It was given that. But anyways, you guys, this is the hair. This is some makeup. I will be posting this makeup look eventually. But anyways, thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, as well as hit that subscribe button and that little bell on the side. Until next time, may peace and love be multiplied, and I will see y'all in my next video. Peace.